Hi everyone, it's Brad at My Way Rods and Restoration. Yeah, my rod and my restorations. Anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that I'd actually finished up with the one cross member here and primed back up, and I undone the 95-year-old bolts and then ground the 3 rivets, and I'm going to drill these holes out a little bit yet and do a nice plug weld on those. And yeah, that'll be it for the second cross member, and then I've got to create something back here just to raise that up a bit. I've got the body all jacked up in there right now, so it looks a little different, but once that's set down, I need to raise this up a little and get a cross member across to the other side where that was. Got a Chev Roadster frame under the 26T body, so right where that rise is was an issue there. So anyway, we'll work around that. And yeah, so after I get these couple of mounts in place, then we're moving on to the body mounting. So hopefully everybody will stick around and watch through the videos. I know sometimes they're painful and all that. You know, I don't know. Everybody's taking it easy nowadays anyway, so what's 5-10 minutes out of your time, right? Just commit, and hopefully I'll enjoy something out of it all. Okay, well, thanks to my viewers, and if anybody new is watching and they want to see where we end up with the old hot rod, hit that little subscribe button down below and the notifications button, the little bell there, so that when I do put out a new video, which I haven't much lately, I have to admit, but I said I was going to do one every couple days, hasn't been. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, say your stuff looks like shit. Say anything. No, give me some comments and let me know what everybody's thinking. Working away on a old 26T Coupe, and this is my world. Yeah, thanks everybody. We'll talk to you soon.